just investigating a theft from Walmart. You matched the description. They said a female with gray sweatpants, gray sweatshirt.
Did you take anything from Walmart? She admitted to shoplifting.
The shoplifting was the small part. What she did next doubled the charges.
What's your name?
Oh, so give my information.
You have to give your information. What's your name?
I have 2 names.
You have 2 names?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch this video from Transparency Bodycam with New Jersey.
Guys in there.
52 in the area.
She said they said she was up by the restaurant next to Delicia's.
Copy. Still on foot, sounds like.
Hey, from security said they could see her. She's still on foot. I'll get an update.
Got a female near the T-Mobile, it looks like. A heavy set, gray sweatpants. Looks like a long sleeve gray shirt.
This is the fun part of the job. Driving around looking for people.
Nice, wait right there. Wait right there. Police, we're just investigating a theft from Walmart. All right. So at this time, you're just detained until we figure out what's going on, okay? You matched the description. They said a female with gray sweatpants, gray sweatshirt. Okay? So the other officer speaking with them, do you know what I'm talking about? What happened? What may have happened? Are we gonna speak? Okay, do you have your ID on you? You have no ID? What's your name?
Oh, so give my information.
You have to give your information. What's your name?
No, I don't.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, then you'll put your place under arrest for obstruction. What is your name? I'm not sitting here to play games.
Which one?
Which one what?
I have 2 names.
You have 2 names?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name that would be on your proper, if you have a license, what would that name be? So we can identify you. What is it? Candy?
Yes.
What? Okay, I'm asking
Since you
you.
was making fun of my name.
I'm trying to hear you. I can't hear you. You had your head turned that way.
Candy. C-A-N-D-I.
There's always a leaf blower that starts right at the worst time.
C-A-N-D-I-E.
D-I-E? What's your last name?
House.
Why drop the attitude right now? Spell your last name.
House.
Spell your last name.
Coming from.
Yeah, 42,
I can't spell. Please spell.
H-O-U-S-T.
Thank you. What's your birthday? Your social security number?
Okay.
Okay. Where do you live? What's your address?
Look, I'm pretty sure they nailed the description. I don't want to state the obvious here, but
D. D is in dog?
I don't know
Yes.
yet. Jay's inside.
Jay's trying to get a description of what it was. I don't even know what this was. She just doesn't want to give information, so let's see if she has an ID.
I have a warrant.
I didn't ask you about a warrant.
I'm telling you.
Okay, I'm going to run it through my system. I don't need you to confirm if you have a warrant or not. We're going to drop the attitude right now, okay? I'm not the one that...
Were you in the Walmart?
I don't have attitude.
You in the Walmart? Were you in the Walmart?
What?
Were you in the Walmart?
Yeah.
yes, I was in the Walmart.
Hold on, if I can. I have a name or basic located. Hang on. First name Candy. Charlie Alpha Nancy.
Candy.
Alpha India address.
Lots of activity on this one.
I don't know. So it's gonna go. So.
What's your other name?
Diamond.
Diamond?
Yes.
Candy or Diamond?
What's the last name for Diamond? You spell it? Would that have the same date of birth, I would assume? But that one's not on any sort of
Yeah, the other total.
identification?
I think that he witnessed it.
Oh, so I thought they said off duty officer.
No, I think he
What's the mission for that? Hold it from that. R?
Can't find anything?
No idea.
Do you have an ID? Have you ever had an ID? Oh, we'll find something. That's fine. If you tell us the right name, we'll...
I gave you both of my
Why so many real names? Candy Diamond.
She didn't want to give ID right off the bat, so I'm assuming there's something to it.
Yeah, well, she said she used to have an ID, so.
Right. So I'm sure they can find something.
Did Shane head over to Jay or not?
Shane went over with Jay, see if I get a better description and we can pull it over.
Where do you live? Wayne? Are you bleeding up there? You got a little dried blood on your ear. It's pretty dry. You waiting for a ride?
Huh?
Waiting for a ride?
I Ubered here.
Uber? You waiting for an Uber right now? No. Did you take anything from Walmart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope.
Do you have it on you? Left at the door?
When are you gonna arrest me? So why don't you just arrest me and take me to the county?
Well, we try not to take people to the county. I don't know how they do it over in Wayne. Have you been arrested before? Yeah, a lot or?
Yep.
Think shoplifting?
So it goes by your score, you know? Do you know that now?
Yes, I'm getting arrested.
What's that?
She's telling you your score's high.
So we're gonna do our best not to take you to the county. That was some township guy.
The D'Agostino?
Yeah, I think so.
They said witness?
No, the witness is with Jay, I think. She admitted to shoplifting.
We just want to see what the total is and what they want to do. Because we were here yesterday and I thought we
A couple bunch, 96 entries in our mess.
all right.
What do you say?
Miranda Iser, take her at 450.
Right, they were arrested, I would assume.
Sometimes they don't want to
Are you doing a fair place hands on your back? Being placed under arrest. I'm sorry? This time you're placed under arrest for shoplifting. Walk around the side of my car.
321 Female 10 11 1158.
You have anything on you in any pockets here? You have no pockets, just the charger there. Mind if I grab that out real quick? I have a seat there. It's a little tight, but like I said, it's a short ride.
I'm too short for this.
Watch here, I'll help you get in. Alright, at this time you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, playing the name games. Didn't you want to give ideas? Alright, well, place your hands on your back. Oh, so this is...
Try not to cry when she hits the back seat. It's the way it always happens. Real tough in the beginning.
All good, thank you.
I'll be transferring to 11 mileage 0672.
Now the gravity of the situation's hitting her. I wonder if this is Candy that's upset or Diamond. If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button. And for a truly deep dive into true crime cases from the first emergency call to the final verdict, come join us on my other channel, the Comm Center. The link's in the description. Vehicle have a suspension problem?
What's he got going on up there? Huh? Keep calling her.
She's with another person.
Oh, so she was with another person.
We'll get him off as soon as we get inside.
I'm beginning to think she didn't Uber there. You know, the shoplifting was recoverable, the items were even left at the door, but the obstruction wasn't. And she turned a simple interaction with a name and a date of birth into a second charge before the officers even ran her. Here's what experience tells you. The people who fight the hardest over their name are usually the ones with the most history behind it. 96 entries into the system confirmed it. Refusing to give your name doesn't erase the record, it just adds a line to it. Make it 97 now. If you find the investigative breakdown useful, the evidence reads, the interview technique, the case building, there's a full library of it here. Subscribe. Every case goes this deep.